Okay, out here working on the Dart again, and what we got to do is remove all the chrome trim along the car, all the stuff around the windshield, the bumpers, which I already got the front bumper off, the rear bumper, the headlight, the grill, all that stuff's got to come off. Headlight bezels, grill, bumper. We also took off the trim that goes along the trunk, the back bumper, the tail lights, the back bumper grill, and an emblem. And so here's this. Got tail lights, bumper grill, some trim pieces, a Dodge emblem right there.